sort of from a different angle, much better to see. Notice we're doing the holder first, spinning the roller up, and taking everything off. I don't have to explain to you. You can see what's happening. This is using just pure steam. There's no chemicals or anything in this, although it could be added if required. But we suggest, if it's being used during production periods, leave the chemicals out. It's not really that necessary, and might be used later on when you're doing your final cleanup for the year. You might want to just add a bit of chemical to make it come off faster. But as you can see, you're not going to be moving much faster doing this. I defy anybody to clean this any faster and get rid of the labels. You can see there that how clean the roller part of the thing, and the one roller is still spinning. The good thing is that what we found is by spinning them up, we could test the bearings. We did find a few of them that had the bearings starting to vibrate a little, and if there was a bucket of ready to put on units, the person could switch them at the time. This is an example. By turning the unit down, you can get directly in behind near the chain area and in behind where the swivel part is, in case there's any labels or anything in that area. Quite quick, about 1 minute to do 8 units, possibly would be quicker. And here's a good example of how fast it does come off. Spinning that, wind it up, and across. It's like a little turbine. And it's clean. Another one. Spin it up and get rid of the residue on the middle of the thing. This shows the end result and the amount of water that isn't on the floor. There's very little moisture in the thing. The steam is only 5 to 6% moisture, so nothing really gets wet except the person standing behind. This is a little awkward. I was doing a camera in one hand and steam in the other, but it gives you an example of how easy it is and how fast it is. If this is done during the production cycle, maybe at lunch hours and things like that, a person could stay completely ahead of the labels on the main roller parts and keep things going. That also cuts out the downstream effect of the thing. That was an example of a roller that had a problem.